Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about child health nursing question paper for BSc Nursing third year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year June 2016. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. The question paper code is 342 and Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, BSc Nursing Degree Examination, June 2016, third year examination for 4xDC program. The subject is Child Health Nursing, new scheme. Time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 75. So write an essay on any two of the following. See, the essay they will be giving two questions. Out of those two questions, you have to answer any they will be giving three questions. Out of those three questions, you have to answer any two. See here, for the first question, what are the types of intestinal obstruction? 1A, what are the types of intestinal obstruction, which is for 2 marks. 1B, describe the etiology and clinical features of intersusceptions. Describe the etiology and clinical features of intersusceptions. 1B, that is 5 marks. And 1C, explain the post-operative nursing care of 2 years boy with intersusception. 1C, explain the post-operative nursing care of 2 years boy with intersusception. 8 marks. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 15 marks. Second question, 2A, define child abuse, which is for 2 marks. 2B, factors influencing child abuse, which is for 5 marks. And 2C, role of a nurse in prevention of child abuse, which is for 8 marks. So 2A, define child abuse, which is for 2 marks. 2B, factors influencing child abuse, which is for 5 marks. 2C, role of a nurse in prevention of child abuse, which is for 8 marks. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 15 marks. Third question, define meningitis, which is for 3 marks. 3A. 3B, list down the causes of meningitis, which is for 6 marks. 3C, role of a nurse in carrying a child with meningitis, which is for 6 marks. So 3A, define meningitis. 3B, list down the causes of meningitis. 3C, role of nurse in carrying with a child with meningitis. So 3 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 15 marks. Next is short notes. Short notes means 5 marks questions. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. They will be giving 7 questions. Out of those 7 questions, you have to answer only 5. So first, fourth question, WHO classification of protein energy malnutrition. Fifth question, psychological development of a toddler. Sixth question, cerebral palsy. Seventh question, prevention of hypothermia in preterm. 8th question, lactose intolerance. 9th question, essential newborn care. 10th question, health education on breastfeeding. So 4th question, WHO classification of protein energy malnutrition. 5th question, psychosocial development of a toddler. 6th question, cerebral palsy. 7th question, prevention of hypothermia in preterm. 8th question, lactose intolerance. 9th question, essential newborn care. 10th question, health education on breastfeeding. So these are the 7 short notes. Out of those, you have to answer only 5. Next is moving on to brief answers, which is 2 marks questions. There will not be any choice. You have to answer all the 10 2-mark questions which has been given. 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. So your 11th question is, write any 3 drugs to be avoided during breastfeeding. Any 3 drugs to be avoided during breastfeeding. 12th question, household fluids for rehydration therapy. 12th question, household fluids for rehydration therapy. 13th question, define oral one stage. Define oral one stage. That is first stage you have to define. 14th question, enumerate the secondary sexual characteristics. 14th question, enumerate the secondary sexual characteristics. 15th question, define growth chart. 15th question, define growth chart. 16th question, hepatitis B vaccination. 16th question, hepatitis B vaccination. 17th question, list the types of trachea, esophageal fistula. 17th question, list the types of trachea, esophageal fistula. 18th question, define Hirschsprung's disease. 18th question, define Hirschsprung's disease. 19th question, list the signs and symptoms of epispadiasis. 19th question, list the signs and symptoms of epispadiasis. 20th question, list the manifestations of thiamine deficiency. 20th question, list down the manifestations of thiamine deficiency. Already we have posted many question paper related videos. You can watch our channel playlist BSc Nursing question papers or BSc Nursing question papers for third year students. You can also watch answer keys for many question paper related series which we have been posted in our channel playlist BSc Nursing question paper. You can refer to your friends for question papers with regard to first year, second year, third year. Also we have posted question papers with regard to post basic BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing also. You can watch our channel playlist for more videos. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end card and iCard. You can watch it for more question paper related videos as well as subject related videos. We have posted separate playlist for nursing research and statistics also. So as you are entering into fourth year, it will be very useful for you. And in the future, in the new syllabus, they are going to change nursing research and statistics in third year as third year subject. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.